Swimming in the ocean, in a pool, or even going in a hot tub are all activities that you can do with a hair system on. However, there are a few things you may want to pay attention to. Hot tubs obviously increase your body temperature as you sit in them. The longer you sit, the hotter you get. This in turn could have your adhesive start to break down or get a little goopy due to the heat. First off, enjoy yourself. When you get out of the hot tub, leave your system alone. Allow yourself to cool down before touching or tugging on it. The adhesive will reset itself and you will be good to go. Always remember to not do any activity that involves getting your hair system wet or perspiring for the first 24 hours after installation. Like and subscribe, and happy 2024 from all of us at Super Hair Pieces.